Welcome to today's video. What's an RF PCB? An RF PCB is a circuit board specifically designed to transmit high-frequency signals. Operating at gigahertz level frequencies, it demands exceptional signal integrity and electromagnetic compatibility. RF PCBs use low-decay and low-loss materials such as TFE, RO40003C, or RT Duroid for optimal performance. They require strict impedance control, interlayer coupling management, and precise PCB stack-up. RF PCBs are widely used in radar systems, satellite communications, 5 grams base stations, Wi-Fi devices, automotive radar, and IoT modules. Any device requiring high speed, long range, and low-loss signal transmission depends heavily on RF PCB technology. Compared to standard PCBs, RF PCBs demand greater manufacturing precision, advanced materials, and tighter electrical performance controls. Even the slightest deviation can lead to signal loss, interference, or total system failure. RF PCBs are the backbone of modern wireless communication, a critical pillar for 5 grams and the connected future. Welcome to our official website, www.pcbasic.com, to learn more.